Today we're going to show you how to achieve these two hole sizes utilizing KAMsnaps Professional Series multifunctional presses. DK93 Professional Table Press, KXT2 Professional Stand-Up Press, KX8J Professional Handheld Press. We are utilizing the 1.5mm hole punch die and the 2.5mm hole cutting die. Please be mindful that the DK93 table press requires the use of the KX adapter base. We will begin by using the 1.5mm hole piercing dies. The material that we will use is one piece of marine vinyl, and one piece of woven cotton. We will begin by installing the 1.5mm hole punch dies. These dies come in a set. The top part of the die will be threaded into the press, while the bottom part will easily drop into the KX adapter base. To remove, simply pick up the bottom die and unthread the top die. Now let's talk about the 2.5mm hole cutting die. This is different than the hole punch die that came in a set. With the hole cutting dies, you'll only receive the top die. In order for this set to function, you'll need to add to cart the bottom die for the 17mm punch. The bottom die will accommodate all top cut dies that are sized 2.5 through 17mm. Now let's see how the holes compare by using a size 20 plastic KAMsnaps. We will be using all of the same dies that you've seen previously, but we are now using the KX-T2 Professional Stand-Up Press. We will be using all of the same dies that you have seen previously, but we are now using the KX-8J Professional Handheld Press. Thank you so much for hanging out with us today. I hope that this tutorial was able to bring you value. I hope that we were able to answer some questions that you might have had if you were debating between the hole punch die and the hole cutting dies. Of course, leave me any questions down below. Thank you, and I hope you subscribe to the channel. Bye!